guys, I'm going to do a little video of putting the Corsair HX850 into the Antec 1200 and give you kind of an idea about the cable length as well, because a lot of people do say that they need extensions, so I'll kind of measure them so you know exactly how long they are. So I've already unboxed this, but reboxed it just to keep it tidy and nice. The cables. So just get out of the bag. See, I'll put it back in the bag so it's safer, but these are difficult to get out of these bags. Okay, so there we go. Put that over here, out of the way. So it's going to go in that way. Let's make sure we've got nothing in there. It's going to stop us from fitting it in. So there's a little sticker on the power supply, protective cover. I'll take that off once I've installed it. So there's nothing to do before you put it in, apart from what I'll do is I'll put all the cables through this cable management hole first before I put it in, and I'll pull them through as I go. If I get my head in the way here, trying to see what I'm actually doing. Okay, so that's all of those through there, I believe. Yep. Now, bring this through, sit it down. Okay, so that's in there. So now we rotate it. Okay, so let me see, you can make sure you can see this. Just angle the light a little better. Hopefully you can see better now. Okay, so here's a little package from Corsair with the black screws. Yes, black screws are best. Corsair sticker, yeah, I like that as well. You've got cable ties in there if you need them as well. So, really easy to do. Dump them out. This is not the interesting part yet. Well, if you thought this was interesting, then fair enough, but I don't find it interesting. Not yet anyway. So, put the screws in, line it up. Okay, one. Don't do them too tight yet. Two opposite corners. I do that generally for everything. Just make sure it applies even pressure. Doesn't really matter with this kind of thing anyway, but it's nice to do. The top one. Okay, now it's finally doing it nice and tight. Okay, that's not going anywhere. So that's in there. Put your switch there. Let's bring you back round. See the inside there. So there's your sleeve cables. I might see if we can make something to go over this. Maybe. So all the extra cables I'll put in later on. Got to plan that out a little bit first. So bring it around here. That sounds expensive. Make sure everything's still connected. Yeah. I can see why cable management takes so long when you see this mess. Let's get rid of those. Put those over there. And IO stuff. Okay, so these are the cables here. Now, obviously a 24 pin will go pretty much straight back in. You don't need an extension, but I've got a NZXT extension for that, just to make it look a bit nicer. Still black sleeved cable. There's just 6 pins, so they'll be going in there. And then the 8 pin, it's just short by literally 4 inches. So, it's not very good, is it? So I'm going to guess these cables are 2 feet. Yeah, 2 feet cables, 24 inches. But yeah, if you're really lucky, you'll get away with it. But I expect you probably won't. So that's why I got this NZXT extension cable. So just clonk that on there like that, and then you've got plenty there. I've got a NZXT 24 pin as well. Going on that. Make sure that's on properly. And then you've got tons of room. So yeah, that was the HX850 power supply installation. Doesn't look as big once it's in there as I thought it would, but it still looks good. So yeah, these are your cables. You'll need these ones no matter what, and then you've got your modular ones here you can put in when you need them, which I've gone through in the other video, which will be up soon as well. If not before this one, probably be before, because I've got more to upload before these. So yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching the video. I'll just give you a little flick around up to the other side so you can see the power supply itself. So there you go. It's not as black as the Antec 1200 itself, but still looks good. Take it off here quick. So there you go. Cables go through there. So it would be nice if they included a hole a bit further down as well, but nevertheless it's still good. So there you go. Thanks for checking out the video, and we're on the way. Thanks guys. Bye.